channel. So for today's video, I have a slime package. I'm so excited to open it. It's fake. Okay guys, so let's go. Okay, so here we go. This is strawberry cream slime with a surprise inside. Ooh, I wonder what's inside. Okay. And look at that unicorns. This is the mother unicorn. I think it's a bit big. And this is babies. And it says, I hope you enjoy. Yeah, I will. Okay, so now, stick one. So, oh, and this, oh, it's a big pocket. Ooh, it's extra. Let's open it. So, ooh, we have two slinkies. Okay guys, there you go, so that you can see it better. So yeah, here is the slinkies. Okay, so this is the hot one. And this is the star. Okay, and the next. Small, but it's okay. Yeah, I think this is a mini bubblegum slime. There's in here. Mini bubblegum slime. Lemon poop slime and strawberry cream slime. Yeah, I think this is it. Ooh, let's feel it. Oh, right, it's a bit sticky though. Yeah, look. It's a bit sticky though. Okay. Yeah, but it's pretty stretchy. Yeah. Stretchy. There's actually cost. Wait, there's. I don't know. I think this costs like $2 or $1. I think. I don't know. There you go. Okay. Bam. It's pretty sticky. Okay, so let's move on to our next slime. I'm so excited about this because it's the
Yeah, strawberry cream slime or llama poop slime. So yeah, so I'll rate this I think about 6 out of 10 because it's a bit sticky. Yeah, it's stretchy and it's soft. So yeah, the bad thing is just it's sticky and smells so bad. So yeah. Let's move on to our next slime. Pick one again. So this is magical llama poop. There we go. Yeah. So let's open it. So excited about this. Ooh. Sticks on the lid. Look at that. So soft. I feel like this is a homemade slime. Okay. Let's poke it. Oh my gosh.
This is very soft. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is a glossy slime. You know, like a white slime and a glossy slime. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Can't believe it. It's very soft. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's make a bubble. Let's see if we can make a bubble. Oh, look at that! A bubble! No, I think we could not make a bubble. But it's still so soft though. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I rate this, 9? No, 10, because it's so soft. But the thing is, it's a bit sticky, but it's still pretty though. Yeah, so...
Can't stop playing with it. Okay, so let's move on to our next slime, and it smells so good.
This is the last slime, I think, yeah. So I think this is the strawberry cream slime. And I really hope this is very cute. Okay, so let's go. This. Oh. Okay, I think this is the only one that has a tag on it. I mean, the name on it. Yeah, so this is the strawberry cream slime. And the container looks like the other one, like the llama poop. But, yeah, it looks so similar. Okay. Yeah, let's open it. Ooh. What? Okay, so let me just put this up. Okay. So it sticks in the lid again. But yeah. Okay, look at that. I love the color. It's pink and what? Felt so similar to the llama poop one. Yeah. Yeah, I think this is just the different color, but yeah, the same brand. I think it's very soft. I love the color. This is my favorite color, pink. Sorry for that noise background. It's light pink. Oh my gosh, okay. Let's poke it. Oh, did you hear that? Wait. That? Oh my gosh, that's so satisfying. Okay. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's very soft. Very soft. It's very soft. Wow, it's so satisfying. Yeah. Very cool. So shiny. It's a bit like glossy slime. Yeah, but it has a color in it, so it's still a glossy slime. Yeah, so yeah, this is the last line, I guess. So let's see. Yes, it's empty. So this is the last one. Thank you for
Baby Unicorn slime shop. And yeah, I love your slime. It's very cool. They're very soft. But I don't like the mini bubblegum slime. It's a bit like sticky. Yeah, it's soft, but the thing is, it's just so sticky. Yeah, and thank you, because the llama poop slime and this strawberry slime is very soft. And yeah, I love the color of this one. And yeah. So yeah, I guess this is the video for today. And yeah, so hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and please subscribe to my channel. Please give me a big thumbs up, and see you guys on my next video. Bye. Just a touch of your love.